Okay guys, so welcome along to this lovely day here at Rathbone Manor, and today I'm going to be taking a look at some, well, it's going to be my first ever alcohol review. Alrighty then guys, so here we are with my first alcohol review. Waitrose Pear Cider, which is like 4.5% volume strength, and it says here a medium sweet and fruity pear cider with aromas of soft ripe pears and hints of citrus. Sounds good, doesn't it? Especially if I can keep it in focus for you guys to actually read it. There we go. It says 4.5% volume. It even says that twice. Let's have a look on the back here then. Okay, here's a little bit of writing going on there. And it's also suitable for vegetarians too. So that's okay then. Right. Okay, so what was going to happen in this review was I was going to show you the bottle and I was going to open it and I was going to pour it into a glass here. However, whilst I was doing something outside, Mrs Rathbone got really carried away, opened her bottle of wine that she gets through on a Saturday night, and she also opened my cider too. So you'll just have to, we'll have to run with it like that, I guess, guys. But anyway, as you can see, it's a nice sort of light colour. It's not too fizzy, which is good. We don't want too fizzy, I don't think. There's not too much of a head going on here, which is good. So I don't really like it too fizzy, too bubbly. Now, if you follow me on my Instagram account, you will no doubt have seen that I tried this last week for the first time. And I quite liked it actually, so much so that I decided to get it again this week. Last week they didn't have my usual cider, which is that one there. That's my usual cider, guys. That's what I normally have. But I say they've not had it. They didn't have it last week, so I got this instead as a bit of a change. Let's get rid of that again. There we go. Right. So yeah. Not bad. I quite agree with them when they say it's got hints of citrus. In fact, let's have a go at it, guys. Oh yeah. Hang on. Make it sound a bit professional there. Yeah. See, it's not too strong. It's got quite a nice flavour to it. Might have another swig. There are definitely hints of citrus in there somewhere. He said possibly sounding pretentious, I don't know. I've never done a review on alcohol before. Yeah, it's actually not too bad at all. It's not overpowering of pears or anything like that. I think there's a gentle hint of pear in here. Yeah. And somehow or another they have actually managed to get, I don't know how they've done it, but they've got citrus in here too. What does it smell like? I wonder if we can smell it. Not really, can't really smell it at all. But then again, my nose doesn't work very well. Yeah, I quite like this. It's got some very subtle flavours in it. And again, I've never done an alcohol review, so basically, other than drinking a little bit of alcohol, just one bottle a week, that's all I have, guys. I don't really know much about reviewing alcohol at all, really. I hope you're watching RPK. What do you think? Let me know. Yeah, I don't think this is a bad beverage at all. It's got a nice subtle flavour to it. I know it says it's only a 4.5% by volume, so it's probably not as strong as some of you guys would like out there. Maybe you like a stronger one. I'm not a big alcohol drinker, to be honest with you, so that's why I just have the one a week. But I can certainly feel this one kicking in right now, to be honest with you. It's just not bad actually. I quite like it. Let's have another drop. Yeah, this could very easily become my new favourite cider. Yeah, not bad at all actually. Quite like that one. It's Waitrose own brand, as you can see. Yeah. I'm going to have to I'm going to have to go and sit down and savour the other half of the pint that's left here, guys. So please let me know what you think of my first cider review. Normally do knife reviews and tool reviews. I'm doing a pear cider review here. So if you enjoyed my first alcohol review, please feel free to subscribe. You can click like and you can share it with your alcohol liking friends as well, guys. But please enjoy alcohol responsibly. Yep, hello nanny state. You can also follow me on my Instagram account too. I'm also on Google+, and you can support the channel via Patreon too if you wish. Thanks to everybody who's doing so at the moment. Cheers, guys. Okay, so leave any comments and questions etc. down below. I'll try and get around to taking a look at them. I'm quite busy, what with work and other things, so I do try to get around and talk to you. Hang on. I do try to get around to answering all your questions and comments and stuff. Alright then, so that's it from my first alcohol review, guys. So that means that I will catch you back here at Rathbone Manor sometime in the near future then. Laters! Oh dear, pardon me.